If your home feels drafty, your energy bills keep climbing, or certain rooms never seem to stay comfortable, your doors might be part of the problem. Many homeowners focus on windows or insulation when thinking about energy efficiency, but outdated or poorly sealed doors can be a major source of energy loss. Upgrading to modern door replacement solutions is a smart, customer-focused investment that can significantly improve your home's comfort and efficiency. One of the biggest benefits of replacing old doors is improved insulation. Older doors, especially those made from outdated materials or worn over time, often have gaps, cracks, or weakened seals. These small issues allow outside air to seep in and conditioned air to escape. Modern doors are designed with advanced insulation cores, often made of materials like polyurethane foam, that help maintain consistent indoor temperatures. This means your home stays cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter without overworking your HVAC system. Another key advantage is the improved sealing technology used in today's door systems. Modern door replacements come with high-quality weather stripping and tighter-fitting frames that minimize air leakage. When installed properly, these doors create a strong barrier against drafts, moisture, and outdoor elements. This not only enhances comfort but also reduces the strain on your heating and cooling systems, helping you save on monthly energy costs. Energy-efficient doors also often include advanced glass options, especially for entry doors with decorative or functional glass panels. Features like double or triple pane glass, low emissivity, low E coatings, and gas fills between panes help reduce heat transfer. These technologies reflect heat during hot months and retain warmth during colder seasons, contributing to a more energy-efficient home overall. For homeowners concerned about sustainability, modern door replacement is a step toward a greener lifestyle. By reducing energy consumption, you're not only lowering your utility bills but also decreasing your home's environmental impact. Many energy-efficient doors are built using eco-friendly materials and manufacturing processes, making them a responsible choice for long-term living. Comfort is another major benefit that homeowners notice immediately after replacing their doors. Eliminating drafts and maintaining consistent indoor temperatures creates a more pleasant living environment. You won't have to deal with cold air sneaking in near entryways or hot air making your home uncomfortable during warmer months. This improved comfort can make a noticeable difference in everyday life, especially in frequently used areas like living rooms or entryways. Modern doors also contribute to better indoor air quality. When your home is properly sealed, it reduces the amount of dust, pollen, and outdoor pollutants entering your space. This is particularly beneficial for families with allergies or respiratory concerns, as it helps create a cleaner and healthier indoor environment. In addition to energy efficiency, new doors often come with enhanced durability and performance. Today's materials, such as fiberglass, steel, and insulated composites, are designed to withstand harsh weather conditions without warping, cracking, or deteriorating. This long-lasting performance ensures that your investment continues to deliver energy savings for years to come with minimal maintenance. Another often overlooked advantage is noise reduction. Energy-efficient doors with insulated cores and tight seals can help block outside noise, making your home quieter and more relaxing. Whether you live near a busy street or in a lively neighborhood, this added layer of sound insulation enhances your overall comfort. Finally, door replacement can increase your home's value. Energy-efficient upgrades are highly attractive to potential buyers, who appreciate lower utility costs and improved comfort. A modern, well-installed door not only enhances curb appeal but also signals that your home is well-maintained and up-to-date. In the end, modern door replacement solutions offer far more than just a visual upgrade. They provide real, measurable benefits in energy efficiency, comfort, and long-term savings. If you're looking to create a more efficient and enjoyable living space, investing in a new door is a simple yet impactful step in the right direction.